Oh, really? Best shape of your life. That was me holding back. Way back.
Hi, Mandy! Ever kiss a banana? I said, did you ever kiss
Go
a...
away, Erwin.
But don't you find me appealing? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Let's make this quick, boys. It's dinner time and I'm starving. Such a pretty voice, but I have one too.
Wow, it is! I have to get a closer look. Don't get too close, little buddy. Don't worry, I'll be careful. Uh-oh.
We could settle this right now.
After all the mindless brutality we've seen tonight, no thanks.
Yeah, I hear you. Bad enough most people think superheroes solve all their problems with their fists.
Like we're all a bunch of muscle-headed stereotypes.
We're better than that.
Way.
Do falls out of 3?
What can I get for $275 and a Yogurtland rewards card?
Maybe about 48 minutes of whatever the fuck you want. And a low-fat dessert.